Here I've got BLU Vivo One Plus 2019, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then let's go to the contacts, tap on the settings icon, pick settings, and here you've got blocked numbers. Smoothly click on it, and if you would like to block some contact, block some number, smoothly click on add a number, and here you can enter number that you would like to block. Just click on block then, and from now on this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this annoying number. Then if you would like to remove number from your list, just click here and confirm that you would like to remove this number from your blacklist by tapping on unblock. And this is it. Now you removed it and this number will be able to call you or send you a message. So that would be all. This is how you can block a number in your device, block a contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.